about that time. Jade just texted me saying that she is planning to call in sick tomorrow because of what happened. I'm starting to try from this. Why would they even do this, Steve?
I don't know, Gum. I'm worried they could lure her into committing suicide, which would really break my heart. We need to stop them before it gets worse.
Jade, we can't believe what you did at school.
You beat up a new student and caused plenty of destruction in the school. This is not like you.
But a new student in my class was.
No buts. You are grounded for a week. Now go to your room.
Why? Why is everyone against me all of a sudden? I'll probably just cry myself to sleep.
Okay, we are going to sleep in the warehouse tonight, and tomorrow we will capture all of Jade's friends from the school and trap them in a cage, and then kill them.
But what if they don't fit in the cage?
Then we will cram them in.
All right, everyone gets some sleep. We have a big day ahead of us.